Hi, this video is to tell you about the CAT 24 math workshop cum practice session that we're planning to hold. So just to give you brief details about the same. So basically the focus will be approaches and methods to solve questions faster. So this will be based on the CAT exam. So I'm sure if you understand those approaches, it's not late to learn those and you can apply them for the examination. We'll also focus on discussing strategy, what strategies you can adopt for different marks, what is the optimum strategy and what is not. Psychology plays an important role. A lot of people underperform because of psychology. I mean, they can solve the question after the mock, but during the mock, it doesn't click them. The stress, the pressure, how to manage, what to do, all that will be the part of psychology training. Okay, it will be conducted by me, so we will focus on methods, simple methods that will help you solve things faster. So there will be 5 workshops of 1.5 hours each, plus you'll have practice sessions. So reinforce these methods that is being taught. We'll have a lot of practice sessions to help you on. Recordings will be provided and the workshop will be held at post 8 p.m. Fees for the same is 1500 for the workshop for practice. If you want include the DINA workshop come practice, then the fees is 2800. You can enroll at the website prep.patrick100.com or contact us on this phone number or support@coinacademy.com. If you're interested and if you're planning to write CAT 24, CAT 25, do subscribe to the channel. We'll come up with a lot of videos that will help you with regards to your preparation. All the best.